Infancia. Para su seguridad, mantengan las manos y brazos, y pies y piernas dentro del bote. Y diga a sus niños y ya, ¡aventura!
Snowman, come on, I know you do. This is making magic winter show. It's summer snow for spending me and you. Oh, we're going up to Elsa's ice palace with you and you and you, all of you. See you there.
On a day very much like today, our save places with an unselfish act of true love and God offers
Hey, you're going up to the ice palace.
I'm so glad you came along. For the first time in forever.
Related or guest?
Let's just hope.
Right, 'cause for the first time you're here.
For my sister's magic night.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
They were born ready. Cold never bothered me anymore.
They're both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense. Winter's a good time to stay in and cuddle for Pookie and Thumper and Alpia.
Happy snowman!
Exactly!
When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun.
Just let off steam. Oh, the sky will be blue, and
You guys will be there too.
finally do what frozen things do.
In summer.